Okay, so in this tutorial we're looking at how you make a bootable Windows 7 USB stick from a Windows 7 ISO file. So the first thing you're going to want to do is download the exe program from the link in the description, and you're also going to need a Windows 7 ISO that you've got from somewhere, I don't care where. But as you can see here now, in the arrows just showing this ISO is a Windows 7 Home Premium, which is 3 GB. So you want a USB stick that's 4 GB or more. So once you've made sure that your ISO file is fine, you want to look at your USB stick and make sure it's formatted. As you can see here, I'm using a 4 GB memory stick, so I'm just showing you that. So then you want to run the setup program for the Windows 7 tool, and just click run if that box does come up. Okay, so that's now. It's a very quick and simple setup. Just click next, accept the terms, click next again, and it should install. It should take about 5 seconds or so. Okay, so at this point administrator window came up, and I obviously clicked yes, so that's why the video stopped for a while. But once it's installed, you'll get a shortcut on your desktop and also on the start menu, so you want to open the program up. So again, that's just an administrator box, and then you want to use the browse button and choose the ISO file that you've downloaded or got from whatever means you've got the ISO file from. So as you can see here, I'm just navigating to the downloads folder where my ISO file is stored. It's a Windows 7 Home Premium. Okay, so as you can see here, that's that box, and you just want to click USB device, and then on the drop down box choose your USB stick. As you can see here, I'm using the 3.7 GB free 4 GB USB stick. And once you've chosen that, the tool will start formatting your device. You can see here on the screen it says creating bootable USB device, and then once it's formatted it will copy all the files onto USB, which you won't see here. I'm going to cut that up because it does take quite a while depending on the speed of the USB stick. But then you will have a bootable USB that you can use to install Windows from USB, providing that your BIOS does support it. Some don't. There should be a boot menu option, but if you need any help with that, you can leave a comment or send a message. So as you can see in this box here, the backup is complete, and the USB stick is now ready to be used to install the versions of Windows onto your PC. So as you can see here, I'm just going back to the computer and showing you the removable disk with all the files on it. It doesn't take up the full 4 GB, but you do get a little bit of space left over. But I recommend just leaving the files as they are and not touching them unless you really know what you're doing. But that's about it for this tutorial. So thanks for watching, and again, if you need help, you can leave a comment or send a message and we'll try our best to help. And be sure to like the video and subscribe if it helped you, and keep an eye out for more tutorials. Thanks for watching. And also you can follow us on Twitter. It's twitter.com/techtouchchannel, or keep up to date on our site, on our website. It's www.techtutorialchannel.com.